I have another new proposal also for the development of a pitcher plant garden. I have discussed with the chief minister for the unique project. I want to develop a pitcher plant garden at Lava area, which if you can see now, if you happen to pass through the road from Malaysiang to Lava, you will see in both sides of the road there are so many wild pitchers plant growing in wild forms. So if this can be developed into the pitcher plant gardens, I think it will be unique uh, unique area in terms of tourism development. They are suffering. Of course, they are in danger unless we take care. They are in danger unless we take care because of the habitation, because of the wildfire. So, I think this pitcher plant garden will be unique in Meghalaya if you can develop it. I want to see the one day Mawsynram should have its own pitcher plant garden. Least compared to Syllad is least because of the transport. I mean the road connectivity in bad shape road connectivity. So once this road connectivity is improved, I see that the Mawsynram also will not be second to Syllad in terms of tourism industry development.
But why was it neglected over the years?
Because that I can't say because I have taken the initiative when I get the elected. I was thinking and that I was planning and I think and I thought and I should dream and I should approach the government that because once we think we should act. So while act, I should approach the government to take action. So I'm happy that the new shift happens in my terms as an MLA.